Wailea Ekolu Village is at the slopes of Haleakala. It's a place where one can meet together with family.
And in front of you, you have the most beautiful blue ocean.
You have everything imaginable in a small contained area, including a shopping center. There's multiple restaurants.
The ocean views from there are fantastic, as well as being situated just right next to the Wailea Blue Golf Course.
And it really is a home versus a hotel. The hotel rooms, we can be twice or three times the size, especially if you're traveling with family. They have their own private bedrooms. You have kitchen facilities.
Hawaii is a very spiritual place, and it's all up to you to take that in. And you think about welcoming your family like that in that setting, why wouldn't you go back?
Maui's a really special island compared to everything else because you have the best of everything.
Many people that do arrive with us actually say they would wish they could live here.
It's a place where you, literally from your unit, you can live the surroundings of what Hawaii has to offer.